successful, successful. The product launch was very successful. The product launch was very successful. Excellent, excellent. The customer service at the hotel was excellent. The customer service at the hotel was excellent. Industry, industry. She has worked in the food industry for 10 years. She has worked in the food industry for 10 years. Accept, accept. The shop accepts all major credit cards. The shop accepts all major credit cards. Upcoming, upcoming. Don't miss the upcoming sale at the department store. Don't miss the upcoming sale at the department store. State, state. The memo states that the office will close early. The memo states that the office will close early. Exhibit, exhibit. Several local artists will exhibit their work here. Several local artists will exhibit their work here. Note, note. Please note that the cafeteria closes at 2. Please note that the cafeteria closes at 2. Process, process. The application process takes about 3 days. The application process takes about 3 days. Instruction, instruction. Follow the instructions on the package carefully. Follow the instructions on the package carefully.